What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on a deck's activity, Nadek Guinea was having exercise boxing at the gym, preparing himself for his another work. Nadek Guinea is now back to work after the long holidays with his family and friends. Nadek was burning his fat and making his workout to condition his body and mind from the things that he plans for this year. As you can see, Nadek was really enjoyed it. While Nadek was having exercise today, or says Beer Band is having a coffee and snacks together with Mami Megla. On Instagram post, Mami Megla posted on Instagram the food that they ordered that has a sweet so overload. Mama Maypla captioned it, "It's delicious, but I feel guilty on my diet. I can stay up early to eat. The snacks here are very delicious. A small shop in a small town." Guessing it was the cheat day today to have a delicious snacks, and it was sure they will get exercise after they can go back in Thailand.